Oh, look at it, look at it. It's coming down everywhere.
It's the Tom and Haley show.
Hi, I'm Tom.
I'm Haley.
And that's right, we survived that firework accident where it rained down in the parking lot. Unlike the picture, that is not Haley's hair on fire. Those fireworks were actually going off over top our head. It was a pretty cool show. So we put this montage of all the fireworks shows we've seen, just the grand finales to keep it short, from over the past year. And at the end of it is going to be the fireworks from the show where the accident was. You can see where it rained down, like it was literally over top of our heads. So it's really cool. I apologize, some of the videos this way. The end of it, the end scene, the fireworks are going to be, they're going to fill your whole picture, so it's worth watching that. So don't forget to give a thumbs up, right? And comment below, and have a safe and happy 4th of July from Tom and
Haley.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe by hitting the Krusty the Clown. That's for the world is seen by Tom. If you want to see other adventures of Tom and Haley, there's a link also on this board, and the channel has other projects we've done in the past and new adventures coming up, especially road trips, which is one of our favorites. Thank you.